The sensor mast's tilting, Monorail. Plans are off course.
I see it, Lion Cub. We will figure this out together.
We need a safe finish. I'll steady the rig.
Wait. I spot a smarter route. Trust me on this.
Okay, I'm adjusting to match your plan. Hold steady.
Perfect. Stay sharp. Obstacles are stacking up ahead.
Shaking lines. Rig sliding. I'll secure the hook.
Clock's ticking, Lion Cub. One clear move. Go for it.
Got it. Hook locked. The cargo's stabilizing.
Nice work. Let's bring this home together.
Cargo's settling. Almost there, Monorail. We've got this. Stay calm and keep watching those lines. It's done. The rig's steady. The plan worked. Woohoo! Cheers all around, Lion Cub. Teamwork wins. We watched, planned, and acted calmly. What was your favorite moment?
Tell us in the comments. We can't wait to hear from you.